James Lay.
Hey, I'm Jordan Lay. I was born in Samoa, Motuatua.
Yeah, I was about 2 years old when I moved over, so Jordan was about three. Yep, and pretty much grew up on the North Shore, and then Mum and Dad decided to move up north. So we spent a few years up there at primary school and intermediate, and then they shipped us off down to school in Auckland, and we both went to Kings. So yeah, we're both lucky enough to go there, and it was a good opportunity.
I came down here for an opportunity to pursue a rugby career, so I was lucky enough to have been contracted with the Bay of Plenty Steamers. James sort of followed suit, and you know, we've just had a few little opportunities come up now. So with the Manu, so we're looking at hopefully maybe jumping on that ship.
Something I've always wanted to do since I was a young fella. You know, when I first started playing rugby, I've had my mum in my ear all the time. She's like, you know, go play for the Manu, put the blue jersey on. My nana's, she's would have loved to see us play, but she's passed. But she'll be looking down on us. She really wants us to be there.
There's a massive responsibility, and I'm probably the one that's doing the learning. The kids are great.
Like Geordie said, it's something that we try to be the best role model we can be, but I guess we learn a lot from the kids as well. So it's a two-way kind of thing, and oh man, yeah, there's so much to learn. I guess, you know, it just puts things into perspective.
We've come down here to obviously to start, and we haven't come here to sit on the bench. So we're both competitive, and that's why we play sport. But in the long run, I think we want to be playing international rugby, but for now with the Steamers, we want to take out that Mitre 10 competition. So yeah, go the blue and yellow.